Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a file upload field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the File Upload field. Drag and drop the File Upload field from the right sidebar into the Form Builder, then navigate to the File Upload field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the File Upload field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This option allows you to customize the upload button text that will be displayed on the front end of the form. The button icons option allows you to add a symbol or image within the input field. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. If you enable this option, the File Upload field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the File Upload field will be visible. Enabling this option lets users upload multiple files at the same time and manage the file upload limit. Using this option, you can set a minimum number of files that must be uploaded, and you can also set a custom error message that will appear if the upload limit is exceeded. This option enables you to set the maximum number of file limits that can be uploaded, and you can also customize the error message that will be displayed when the limit is exceeded. This feature allows you to edit the message that will appear to users before they upload a file. Enabling this option, you can specify the maximum file size for the file uploads. This option enables you to set the maximum file upload size that can be uploaded, and you can also set a custom error message that will be displayed when the file upload limit is exceeded. By enabling this feature, you will see the file select status. This option enables you to set a custom error message that will appear when a user attempts to re-upload a file that has been already uploaded. This feature allows users to select different types of files for the form submission. Users can select multiple files from the drop-down list. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the File Upload field. Here, you can see that the File Upload field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.